settlement.
Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar on Monday expressed concern over the increasing migration of youth from Meghalaya to other states in search of employment opportunities. This concern follows the recent tragedy in Tinsukia district, Assam, where 2 local youth from Meghalaya lost their lives in an illegal rat hole mine. He highlighted that many people from Meghalaya are compelled to seek hazardous job in other states, such as rat hole mining, due to the lack of job creation within the state.
See that due to the employment in the state, people from my constituency, from other constituencies, and the whole state of Meghalaya, they have to go outside the state. So this is the one. So from my side, I want to say that this is the time. It's high time that we have to think about it, and that we have to, talk about, and high time that the government should take seriously in this matter.